Hello there, everyone. I'm meteorologist Anthony J. here, part of America's weather streaming channel, updating folks on Tropical Storm Ernesto, which formed earlier on Tuesday, and it's going to have immediate impacts. And there it is on the internet here with the National Hurricane Center, Tropical Storm Ernesto, and it's not too far from Guadeloupe and Antigua, those islands. You can see it on the satellite here, and it is working its way quickly westward, about 25 miles per hour. The winds as of the 11 p.m. update were still about 40 miles per hour, and they may go up to about 50 or so during the night. We're watching that. Here's a close-up view of the storm. This is Guadeloupe right here, and here is Tropical Storm Ernesto, which is already starting to bring some clouds and showers and some locally gusty winds. Now, how about where is this going to go? I'll show in the futurecast here. This is about 5 a.m. Tuesday. Ernesto is very close to, or kind of in between Guadeloupe and Montserrat. And 8 a.m. Tuesday morning, we've got you in tropical storm conditions, I think, during that time. This is 8 a.m. around Antigua, maybe Barbuda, and all those islands surrounding during the morning. So it's going to be dangerous to be outside with those the heavy rain and wind gusts, 40, 50, 60, maybe 70 miles per hour. And those conditions it'll come in waves throughout the day. And as we go through the day, conditions will improve here in the eastern islands and the northern islands by the evening, but they'll get worse as we head towards the evening in St. Thomas, St. Croix, the Virgin Islands. Puerto Rico is over here. So we'll have, again, this whole storm is going to create some problems, but at least, it's not expected to be a hurricane, although it might get close overnight Tuesday night as it comes across. It looks like northeast of St. Croix, northeast of St. Thomas, or it might come close to those islands as well. Either way, you're going to get some of the stronger conditions in this part of the Caribbean. And for San Juan and mainland Puerto Rico, it's mainly Tuesday night that you see some of the worst conditions with flooding from heavy rains and, of course, those strong gusty winds. Here's a look at the official path from the Hurricane Center, latest right here. And here it is coming through you on Tuesday in the northeastern Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands. And then Wednesday, it's pulling away. We should see things improving across this whole area later Wednesday. And it looks like it will just turn north and stay away from the east coast of the United States. But look at this here. It will be a hurricane by later in the week. And Bermuda, we're watching that forecast closely because by later Friday, Hurricane Ernesto may have some significant impacts on Bermuda. But here's a look at some tracks of the future path of Ernesto from the models. All of them turning north, and we really don't think it's going to be a threat for the east coast of the United States. We're watching New England, but really a much better chance that it stays out here, and maybe Nova Scotia, Newfoundland could get hit, let's say, by the weekend, and then it's going to be moving northeast away. The intensity forecast from the models, some of them have it getting to a major hurricane status, Category 3, in about 48 to 60 hours as it moves north. So a spot check for you in Antigua and Barbuda. Those tropical storm conditions will be around in the morning and off and on throughout the day. So watch out. Gusty showers, wind gusts, maybe 70 miles an hour, and also local flash flooding. And conditions improving there, though, by Tuesday night. So that forecast will pretty much hold for all of those northern islands. And then farther west towards the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, San Juan, this whole area forecast applies. We'll have the same gusty showers moving in, especially by the evening hours Tuesday, and local flash flooding and improvement coming your way by, I'd say, later morning on Wednesday into the afternoon. And rainfall, that might be the biggest threat from this, and probably will be locally 4 to 8 inches or up to 100 millimeters of rainfall across many of these islands here, especially Guadeloupe, Montserrat, Antigua, and Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands as well. So we'll be continuing to update you on the forecast, and be careful out there. It'll be dangerous to be outside in a lot of places during Tuesday. You can follow us on social media on X, America's Weather Streaming Channel, X, Twitter, the old Twitter, and we're also on other social media, YouTube and Facebook. Here's our Facebook page, our main page. We'll be posting updates tomorrow and Tuesday, Wednesday as well, and on YouTube as well. You can find us on there. We have updates, and our app Weather Valet, check that out, just debuted a few months ago, and our live streaming channel also there debuted for Kansas. So lots to check out there, and be safe everybody out there, and keep abreast to the forecasts.